Because I mean, it's the same.
But I think the other one was the coffee maybe.
Yeah, but we didn't add any water or anything.
Maybe the strawberry powder isn't as flavorful.
No, but I mean, it's sweet and you do get the strawberry. But I mean, we can add more.
No. I wonder if we just mustn't wait for it to get cold a little bit.
But I mean, at the end of the day, would you want to drink this?
Yeah.
I want to taste banana. I don't.
Okay, put banana in there.
What do you think?
Banana.
So I don't want to spoil the batch now. Okay, but how do you stir it?
Claim the finger.
Now we actually get it. Well, the banana there.
Yeah. Does it need more banana?
Taste. Just taste yours compared to yours. See more almond. More vanilla.
2 seconds. So much taste. Jy drink die vlees lekker as my. I don't know why.
I don't know if this essence has alcohol.
I don't know.
More strawberry. But you get a bit more banana in this, obviously.
Caramel. It's caramel. I feel caramel good right there.
Do you think we should add coffee?
Strawberry coffee.
I don't know.